That time of year again, National Safety Month. Here's a few tips from NAR to help reduce the risk and keep you safe.
When meeting a client for the first time, do so at the office or public place, and always make sure you let someone know where you are and who you're with. When showing a property, be sure to park on the side of the property instead of the driveway. This helps prevent you from being blocked in and allows you to make a quick getaway if necessary.
Realtors spend a lot of time in their cars, so be sure to pack emergency kit with water, non-perishable food, blankets, or any items you might need.
During an open house, keep the garage or back door closed to prevent intruders from using multiple entrances and to be aware of incoming clients.
Driving around the neighborhood during the day and night so you become familiar with that area.
Things to consider when listing a property. Avoid listing homes as vacant. Use marketing materials without a photo of yourself. Make a year-round commitment to your safety and visit www.nar/realtor/safety for more tips to keep you safe. Thanks for watching.